Hi everyone, this is Jade and welcome to my vlog. Join me as I plan my spread for the month of June. I still have the same floral theme, but this time I will be combining different bright colors of blues, yellows, and greens. I will show you my monthly cover, DIY calendar, and my first weekly spread. And of course, I will show you a quick flip through of the entire June setup, but it is still a work in progress. I still have to design and decide what to include since planning and daykeeping with my journal is really a work in progress. I still enjoy the designing part during the writing process or the documenting process. I also have a free-flowing type of journaling process because I do track with dates, and also I do highlight some days with prompts, which I do most of the designing in making cut-out illustrations and sometimes just illustrations and calligraphy. I just enjoy the process, and what comes to mind will be done. The next few days will be for my personal prompts, which I will be sharing to my next videos like gratitude lists, must-have lists, and other exciting pages to include. I hope that sounds fun and will also give you fresh and simple ideas to journal. So enjoy the entire video and let me know in the comments below your thoughts about your own process of journaling or any tips to improve. I will be happy to read them. Happy June, everyone! Enjoy also your designing process of your June setup for your journal. So here's our quick flip through of my June journal setup.